Hi, welcome to the QGis Review. In this first series, I'll show you how to produce site location image to be incorporated into your report. If this is your first time working on QGIS, as soon you load the program, this will be the first screen you'll see of the software. To start a new project, you will have this option right here, this icon, or you can come into the toolbar and set new. In the next videos, I can show you how to start one from a template. Let's start from the screen, the option we have here. Double click. This is your workspace, and in the top you have the toolbar. In the bottom you have the coordinates, the scale, some options here, the rotation of your map, and the projection of your workspace. This scale is not your layout scale, it's only the scale of your workspace. To start your project, you'll need to add some layers. And the first one can be the satellite imagery you want to work on. To do that, the easiest way is coming here in this option, plugins, and manage and install plugins. Coming to all and in search, you can try to look at any kind of plugin to install in your QGIS to help you to execute some process in easier ways. Uh, like for example, right now we are trying to find a plugin to add satellite images into your project and without needing to look for them in internet or going through some uh, steps more than needed. So let's try to find for map library here and install. In my case, I'm reinstalling because I've already had it installed. As soon as it have succeeded in this installation, you'll have the icon in the toolbar. Just click on it. This window will pop up. You can try to look at some options or just come in here in the examples and you'll have these options to add. For the example we are going to work, I'll add just the Google satellite image. Double click. As you see, you already have here your satellite imagery. You can add more if you wanna. Let's say the Google Maps layer and the OpenStreetMap. Double click, close. Nothing changed. It's because, as you will see, let's add some new toolbars. Right click. These options will be shown to you. You can just check the panels and toolbars you wanted to load. In this case, let's load layers panel and browser panel. As you can see, we have the imagery added as we did before. To help your computer to process better the data, just keep one of them on uh, and let's work on it. Okay, let's go then to Ireland. Let's see. For the example today, let's assume our development will be the Tallaght Stadium. So right here, let's zoom in. This area will be our development in the example today. How to draw the red boundary. We can come here in the toolbar, layer, and create a new layer. Is the case right now. We are creating a new layer. But let's say we already have it in another kind of file, shapefile or image, we can add it through this option here and select the type of file you can add. But today we are going to create a layer. I'll show you here an option we can have in the toolbar, easier one. Right click and let's load some tools we can use today. So um, let's see, project toolbar, selection toolbar, shape digitizing toolbar, snap, and then advanced digitizing, and data source. And let's start to work with these ones. If we need more, we can load later. As you can see, we have the icons, the same options we have here. Let's create a new shapefile then. This button, let's set the name of the shapefile we are creating. To do that, just click over the three dots here and let's uh, select the folder we want to save the file. Will be here. I'll say the name of this our new shapefile will be QGis and beer exercise red boundary. This will be the name. Okay, file encoding, keep system, geometry type. As we are talking about an area, will be a polygon. Okay, and the projection, we need to set the right projection every time we are creating a new shapefile to have the best performance and the right units for our project. In this case, here in Ireland, we should work with the Irish Transverse Mercator EPSG 2157. If you don't have it here already set, you just need to go in search 2157 or type the name Irish. The options will be shown here. Okay, and just double click. Invalid, no. Pay attention to that. Now it's correct. New field, no need to type anything right now. It's good to do this in the beginning, but I'll just skip this part to show you ahead how to do that. And okay, our layer is created right here, as you can see. Let's organize a bit this panel to make it easier to us work. Let's select the images, just select them, click on this icon or right click and group selected. This group will be our images. Okay. We created a shapefile. We don't see anything. We don't have any polygon in this shapefile because we just created. Let's create our red boundary. Select, keep highlighted the layer we want to work, and we need to go here, right click and digitizing, or right click and go to toggle editing. We have the same option here in this toolbar I just loaded. This pencil, when you click, keep selected the shapefile you want to edit and click in the pencil, you will see the pencil in the shapefile is now able to be edited. To add, we can't draw anything in. Still, as you can see, our mouse is still a hand and as a pen. And to start our drawing, we need to add a new polygon. To do that, we will have this icon, add a polygon. Click on it. As you can see, our mouse just changed the format. And to start our drawing, we go to our vertices and click again all the time in the vertices of your area. Never drag, just click and keep clicking. You can see red, we have our polygon, the area being covered with this polygon you are drawing. Okay? Just keep clicking, and at the moment you understand it's done, you just need to right click to finish it. Doing that, this window will pop up. No need to do anything, just click OK, and here is our polygon. Let's say uh, we made a mistake. We need to have gone until here. You just need to select here these two, select the polygon, and then these two. Here you'll see in the vertices you will have the option to click and drag. Ctrl Z if you did it wrong, no problem. Or if you need to add a new vertex, when you go to the line between two vertices, you will see a cross in the right middle. You click over, it will create a new vertex, and you can drag until the point you understand this is the right one. Let's say you wanna delete these vertices. Just click over the vertex and delete. Click delete. Okay, simple like that. And to finish the same way, right click, it's finished. Here you will unselect the feature you just selected. So right now we finish this first video and keep going in the next months. Thank you for watching this.